Beaten and starved. Shock in India as police rescue men from bonded labor. Summary. Police in India's Uttar Pradesh state rescued 12 men who were being forced to work as bonded laborers at a small factory. The workers had been promised jobs, but after arriving at the factory, they were kept there against their will for months or even years. Police arrested 2 suspects, while the factory owner escaped and is still being searched for. According to the police, the workers were recruited at railway stations and other public places with promises of work, food, and a place to stay. Once they reached the factory, their mobile phones were taken away, and they were locked inside. They were forced to work day and night without proper pay and were beaten whenever they asked for wages or tried to leave. The rescued workers described terrible living conditions. They said they were given only one simple meal a day and were often hungry. Some said they were beaten with sticks, while others claimed that their identity cards were destroyed to stop them from escaping. One worker from Nepal said he had not been able to contact his family for almost 2 years. Police have filed criminal charges under India's Bonded Labour System, Abolition Act and child labour laws. They are also investigating reports that some workers may have died at the factory. A special investigation team has been formed to continue the case. The incident has shocked many people across India because bonded labour was banned 50 years ago, yet it still exists in some places. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi and many social media users called for strict punishment for those responsible and proper support for the victims. All 12 rescued workers have received medical treatment and psychological counseling. 8 of them have already been reunited with their families, while officials are working to help the remaining workers return home and rebuild their lives. Thank you for watching.